Dadgummit, looks like I still need some tutelage on that thing. I'm working on it, though. How are you? I just had to come over real quick, and I had to tell you, my kiddos, there's something else. Junior came home and said, "Hey, Pops, have you ever seen a blowfish face? I can do a blowfish face." Blowfish? What in the Pete's Dragon? Before I could catch my breath, he goes, "Oh my gosh. Son, you scared the charcuterie out of me." Kiddos, keep you on your toes. Anyway, before I leave, speaking of fish, yesterday I had the attention of a goldfish. I don't know why, but seriously, it was staring at me for hours. Later, Gator. See you at church.